I just got to the hotel. When I got to Fort Lauderdale, first of all, we rode in on a crop duster that you saw in my previous video, but I arrived and I went and sat at the terminal, like, I'm so tired. Carousel. Wherever you get the baggage claim, went there and I was sitting down waiting for it to start up. And then I saw a lady walking over, and on the other side was my bag just chilling there. Like, it was the only checked bag for this flight. Anyways, I got to the airport and I came to the hotel, got checked in. They upgraded me so I can see the ship come in on the morning. Meanwhile, my parents were supposed to fly in tonight so we can get on the cruise ship in the morning. But they had too many flights going into Dallas tonight, so their flight got canceled and we get on the cruise ship tomorrow. So they had to fly to Georgia, where Gabrielle, Jen, and Britt are currently waiting to fly to Tulsa. And my parents are going to fly to Fort Lauderdale in the morning. Hopefully everything goes well. I'm going to go from here to the dock and hopefully meet my parents there. If not, I'm going without them, so peace. But surely they'll make it there in time. And I just ordered room service because I don't know these parts and I ain't about to get kidnapped. Okay, that's all for tonight. See you in the morning. Update on the vlog. My parents made it.
We made it.
They're here. We're on the boat. We're moving and grooving and going to find food. Snack.
Snack.
That looks like a steak.
Snack steak.
That looks like a snack too.
Snack. Just a little snack.
Before our actual meal. Different desserts.
Because I've already had two.
So you gotta switch things up a little bit. Is that what happens?
That's what happened.
He didn't want to leave it at an odd number, so he went ahead and got number 10. How are you feeling?
You know, I'm starting to feel a little cool. A little bit.
A little bit. Mom, how are you feeling? What'd you get? Only 4?
Red pudding, watermelon, that cancels each other out.
Okay.
And then peanut butter and chocolate ice cream.
It's like Reese's.
Oh my gosh, so good.
Mom?
Mustard drill
Station.
Mustard. Sure wasn't ketchup?
Yeah,
drill.
Ketchup. But we came back to this business. More food. We have spent the day in the cabin because it was freaking hot outside. Why is it so blurry?
I don't know.
But right now we're going to dinner.
No,
We're going to a comedy show and then dinner. Are you gonna say that every time I turn on the camera?
Just strolling the boat.
Strolling the boat. We just watched, what was his name? Jeff Neese?
Jeff Neese, yeah.
Jeff
Pretty
Neese.
funny dude.
Just watched him. He was funny. Now we gotta walk around and wait till dinner, and I am hungry.
Hungry.
Then day one, it was a fun time. We met a couple from Ohio at dinner. They were really nice. It was their first cruise, so we had to tell them all the things to do and not do. And yeah, tomorrow's a day at sea, so it's going to be another chill day. But then the next day, the fun begins. So get ready for that, and I'll see you tomorrow. On the ship, we are getting ready to go to breakfast and then go lay out on the pool because we can't get off the ship. We're stuck in the middle of the ocean. But right now we're passing Cuba, so all those jokes I made, we really did make it to Cuba, so I'm happy about that. Yeah, another chill day, and then like I said, tomorrow's when all the fun begins. After we got this Steve out of the room, we're finally on to breakfast. My dad's been up probably since like 5 a.m.
At least.
We told him not to wake us up. What are you wearing? Why are you wearing that?
There's only one, and it's game day.
Go Pokes.
There's only one.
So we're eating again, surprise, surprise. My dad got a thing called the festival. What country is it from?
I don't even remember. I think it was Jamaica.
Jamaica, okay. So he wanted to tear it open and then bite into it, but we're gonna make him just bite into it because do it for the vlog.
Here we go. It is bread.
A festival of bread. So there you go. Now we know. That's what my festivals are made of. Straight bread. Need some pepper there, pal? It's time for a card game with a view.
But you get to look at the ocean at the same time.
Yeah. It's formal night. We're about to go watch the show and then go to dinner because we got the select dining, which means you can eat anytime you want between this time and this time. So it's what we decided to do, Mom.
Yep, I'm all about it.
So when you walk in, I think it's going to be pretty exciting, that entire space.
What?
Oh,
I'm really loving all the white oak accents.
Hi.
We're doing the white oak wood floor.
But why did you just do that?
well, because I thought that thing
So
was
to tie
blocking
in
the
all
view,
that,
but
we wanted to
it's
go
not.
ahead and just do the white oak beams that carry through to the kitchen.
This, my friends, is why you don't do drugs.
I feel like it's all
Dad?
together. Chip?
Yes.
Hey,
What you doing?
you told me to come
So-
by to check the
There he is,
option.
the man, the
Chip
myth, the legend.
samples.
He is very impressed. Where's the this stuff? This is not a sponsored video. My dad just really loves this Downy spray.
No iron. You can't have irons on cruise ships. This is my iron.
So, you heard it here first. Downy wrinkle release. Is that what it's called?
Downy wrinkle
Releaser.
release.
Alright, off to dinner. I mean, off to a show. We go. Forgot to show you guys here my outfit. Let me move that. Dress, shoes, dress, face me. Hey! Sweet dreams are made of this. Dinner time. Dad, what'd you get? Mom?
Duck.
Strip scampi. Get money.
Don't look at mine.
Get money. Dad has an art to his bagels and log making. Go ahead, put it on.
Where'd you get the baby onions?
See that? Okay, now coming up next is how Mom puts hers together. We'll wait and see that.
Yeah, we're waiting.
There are two types of people in this world. This one and this one. What are you doing with the cream cheese?
It's got juice on the top.
Oh, sick. Don't say it like that.
I don't like juice. So you gotta, mush it around. And you gotta come out of here.
She just puts it on there like that.
What do you think about that joke in the news last night?
I knew she was going to do that. I knew. She doesn't know. She doesn't know.
You need any more telling.
She's not going to listen if we tell her, so we'll just let her do it.
Look how pretty that is.
What are you? This is Angel. What are you doing? What are you
And then she puts it down in the exact circle.
Did you all leave me alone? It doesn't lay right whenever you do that because it doesn't cross over.
To the prayer, you're saying.
Look at that. Oh, I forgot my keepers.
Dad, would you like to explain why we put the onions down first?
so it don't fall off when you're trying to eat it. Hello.
Exactly. That would solve your breaking the onion problem.
We made it to San Juan. America again. America! We're still in America. But we made it out of the hurricane. Yes! That's all that matters. Not so funny story. This house right there, well, what is it? I guess a house. We stayed in when we came here last time. No air conditioning. My dad and brother thought it like they picked the greatest place. We were all mad. No one slept that night, and this is it. Bringing back all the memes. What are we going to do?
Mofongo.
Mofongo is like the native
Food.
dish. It's like a plantain sort of
Ricey.
something with chicken and
Skirt
shrimp
steak.
and skirt steak and sauce and stuff. So I'll let you know how it is. My brother and sister-in-law said it's like the best thing ever. So that's where we're headed. I'll let you know if it actually is the best thing
Be
ever.
there.
Be there or be an L7 weenie. Dodger dog. A weenie. Maybe a different color.
Try the black one right there. Try that black one.
That's it. That's the
You gotta
one.
turn it to the side a little bit. You can't just have it straight on like that. There you go.
And maybe it's the green.
The green. Oh yeah, the green.
No, I got one for you. I'll do you one better. And you ready?
The one.
Does that take you back to your roots?
Oh my gosh.
I think this is it.
I think that's for your professional golf career, for sure. Yep. The next, Phil Mickelson, Tiger, Ricky, Bubba. Who are you going for?
Bruce.
Okay, whatever.
That was awesome.
We came, we saw,
And we conquered.
and we moved on good. And it was good, but none of us can breathe. So that's a sign of good food, I mean. Wouldn't you say so?
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely.
Do you know what I just said?
No.